Being a tourist in your own town means that you need to see the city through a different set of eyes. Yes, while you can do your research about what's out there, what's going on, hit up those tourist boards and all those types of things, like I said, you have to see your city through new, fresh eyes. Ask a friend to show them a place that you haven't visited yet, that they always go with their family and friends. You never know, you may love it. We don't know everything that goes on in our state, our city, our town. So trust the influencers. There's all types of influencers in your city, in your state that have visited places that you have never even seen before. Find those people and figure out where they've been. Switch things up. Instead of driving all the time, walk or ride a bike or do something else. Ride a city bus. And like I said, you'll see some things that you've never seen before. If you really want to get the experience of being a tourist in your own town, why not book an Airbnb or a hotel in your city, somewhere you haven't stayed before, and see the whole entire experience from somebody else's eyes? So, being a tourist in your own town, it only takes some simple things. I hope these things help.